Hello, good afternoon. This is Mrs. Salap, Mrs. Salap Channel. We are at the moment in Salt House dito sa Clifton, ang isang sikat na playground at pasyalan sa mga kalapit bayan at sa locals ng Clifton. So, ang gagawin natin, I have my suot ko yung aking jacket. It's still a cold, nearly spring na kasi malapit ng 21. Sama kayo, labas tayo, and we'll do our vlogging. Ayan no, my train and ginaw ang ginaw pa rin. So ito yung Green Lake nila kahit maginaw. Okay, from here, makikita nyo again yung lake. So we are at the moment in the Marine Lake. Super ginaw. Tang ginaw pa rin. Ayan. So at the moment dito sa Marine Lake, from here, this is Mrs. Salap, Mrs. Salap Channel. Sa maginaw na hangin ang gagaling sa lake. So ayan, makikita nyo naman yung mga tao. Talagang ginaw na ginaw pa rin sila. But there are still lots of people here. At merong mga naka-nagsiswimming. Ayan. Pero ang ganda pa rin ang view. If you could see the view at my back. Yeah. Ayan, palabas na kami. Ang ganda pa rin ng view. So ito siya. Hindi dito. Ayan. Ayan. May ice cream van na, and it's only 12th of March, so ang official spring is 21st. Okay, so that's it, and we are by the pier. So palabas na kami ngayon, and ayan. And we are passing by the Clifton Pier. Yan ang magandang town of Clifton. Okay, that's all. So that's it, and this is Mrs. Sully of Mrs. Sully channel again. Palabas na kami ng Cleveland. Thank you for joining me this afternoon, and it's nearly spring, so I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.